Dear friends, today let us discuss about 35 stocks including Siemens, SBIN, HPCL, etc. Those have announced split or dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Siemens Limited. Share is trading around rupees 7,070 per share. Company announced demerger in the ratio 1:1. The board of Siemens Limited, the Indian arm of the German technology group, approved the proposal to demerge its energy business into separate legal entity known as Siemens Energy India Limited. The new entity will subsequently be listed on BSE and NSE. As per the scheme of arrangement, shareholders of Siemens Limited will receive one share of Siemens Energy India Limited for every one share of Siemens Limited. Both ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Adore Fontech Limited. Share is trading around rupees 154. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per each share with a record date 17th May 2024. Thyrocare Technologies Limited. Share is trading around rupees 652. Company announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. PTL Enterprises Limited. Current market price is rupees 43. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.75 per each share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Colgate Palmolive India. Share is trading around rupees 2,689. Company announced a dividend of rupees 36 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 23rd May 2024. Magadh Sugar and Energy Limited. Current market price is rupees 688. Company announced a dividend of rupees 15 per share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Kamdhenu Ventures Limited. Current market price is rupees 168. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Kamdhenu Ventures Limited, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 14th June 2024. Sidus Wellness Limited. Current market price is 1,730. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 2nd August 2024. Dr. Lalpath Labs Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,515. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 10th June 2024. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Hindpetro. Share is trading around rupees 500 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is 9th August 2024. State Bank of India SBIN. Current price is rupees 812. Company announced a dividend of rupees 13.7 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is 22nd May 2024. Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Current market price is rupees 620. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Bharat Petroleum Corporation, you will get 10 more shares as bonus. So total you will have 20 shares. Ex-date and record date is 21st June 2024. Coal India Limited. Current market price is rupees 273. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Stovec Industries Limited. Share is trading around rupees 4,026. Company announced a dividend of rupees 115 per share. Ex-date and record date is 27th May 2024. ADF Foods Limited. Share is trading around rupees 232. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.2 per each share with a record date of 26th July 2024. Graphite India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 589. This company announced a dividend of rupees 11 per each share. Ex-date and record date is 19th July 2024. Quess Corporation. Share is trading around rupees 637. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-date and record date is 26th July 2024. Asian Paints Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,815. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28.15 per each share. Ex-date and record date is 11th June 2024. Trend Limited. Current market price is rupees 4,597. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.2 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is 22nd May 2024. Shriram Finance Limited. Current market price is rupees 2,340. This company announced a dividend of rupees 25 per each share. Ex-date and record date is 23rd July 2024. Bajaj Finance Limited. Current market price rupees 6,731. This company announced a generous dividend of rupees 36 per share. Ex-date and record date is 21st June 2024. Goa Carbon Limited. Current market price is rupees 858. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per each share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Jindal Stainless Limited. Current market price is rupees 680. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per each share. Both ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Hindpetro. Current market price is rupees 500. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 2 shares of Hindustan Petroleum, you will get 1 share as bonus. So total you will have 3 shares. Ex-date and record date is 21st June 2024. Asahi India Glass Limited. Current market price is rupees 608. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share, but the company has not decided on the record date. Nirlon Limited. Current market price is rupees 430. Company announced a dividend of rupees 11 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited. Share is trading around rupees 8,330. Company announced a dividend of rupees 21 per share. Ex-date and record date is 28th June 2024. Burger Paints India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 491 rupees. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per each share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Punjab National Bank PNB. The share is trading around rupees 125. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. BEML. Current market price is rupees 3,703. This company also announced a dividend of rupees 15.5 per each share, but the company has not yet decided on the record date. Ramratna Wires Limited. Share is trading around rupees 383. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date 16th July 2024. Balmer Lorry and Company. Current market price rupees 301. Company announced a board meeting on 28th May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is dividend, bonus and split. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, MRPL. Share is trading around rupees 209. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Transport Corporation of India TCI. Current market price rupees 910. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per each share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Bharat Dynamics Limited BDL. Current market price rupees 2066. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 10 shares of Bharat Dynamics Limited, your 10 shares convert to 20 shares. To get the benefit of stock split of Bharat Dynamics, you have to purchase the shares of Bharat Dynamics before 24th May 2024, because ex-date and record date is fixed as 24th May 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.